Prime Minister Narendra Modi will today visit the poll-bound states of West Bengal and Assam, the second time in a little over 2 weeks. He was in Kolkata on January 23rd to mark Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's birth anniversary and on the same day visited Sibsagar district to hand out land ownership titles to over a lakh indigenous people of the northeastern state. The Prime Minister will first visit Assam and then move to West Bengal, where he will address his first election rally in the run-up to the state assembly polls. Significantly, the event will be held in Haldia, East Midnapur, the stronghold of Shuvendu Adhikari, the former Trinamool minister who joined the BJP in December. Moving on to the next news, NCP chief Sharad Pawar on Saturday urged cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar, who earlier this week tweeted as part of celebrity-fueled pushback against pop star Rihanna and her six-word tweet on farmers' protest, to exercise caution while speaking about any other field. Mr. Pawar's comments came a few days after Tendulkar joined a long list of Indian actors, sportspersons and politicians tweeting on unity and farmers, a list triggered by Rihanna's tweet and the wave of international headlines and support it generated. Moving on to the next news, stand-up comedian Munawwar Farooqui was released on Sunday from a jail in Madhya Pradesh, where he was held for more than a month after his alleged filthy and indecent jokes about Hindu gods and goddesses as well as Home Minister Amit Shah. Hours before he was released, the authorities of Indore jail where he was held said they were yet to receive any order from the Supreme Court. The matter is sub judice before the court and I have full faith in the administration of justice and I would not like to make any comment at this stage, Mr. Farooqui told NDTV just after he was released minutes after midnight. He has left for Mumbai. Moving on to the next news, Trinamool Congress MP and Mamata Banerjee's nephew Abhishek Banerjee on Saturday held a massive rally in Midnapur, just a few kilometers away from home of his former party colleague Shuvendu Adhikari, where he targeted the latter for selling Midnapur's pride by joining the BJP. The people of Midnapur won't forget those who have insulted this soil. People will answer with votes. Each and every action will be answered. Traitors will be shown the door. The unfaithful will be shown the door. The person who has sold Midnapur's pride to his masters in Delhi will be shown the door. Raise your voices. Shanti Kunj, Shuvendu Adhikari's residence, is just 5 km away. The house should shake when you raise your voice. We shall fight in the coming days. We will answer. The person who has played around with the trust of the people of Midnapur needs to be answered, Abhishek Banerjee said as he levelled volley of charges against Mr. Adhikari. Moving on to the next news, the Bodoland People's Front has invited Rashtriya Janata Dal Chief Tejaswi Yadav to be the chief guest of Bodoland Accord Day celebration on February 10. The BPF may have severed ties with the Assam's ruling BJP after the Bodoland Territorial Council election in December, but it remains an ally in the assembly. The RJD, on the other hand, is aligned firmly against the BJP after the bitterly contested election in Bihar in October-November last year.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.